Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Mahi Mazas. First of all, Namaste. From my video, I am sharing familiar personalities of the world with you. Today I choose the biography of Satyendranath Bose. He was an Indian mathematician and physicist specializing in theoretical physics. It is very useful to you. So let's start the video. Satyendranath Bose was born on 1st January 1894 at Calcutta, Bengal Presidency in British India. I already told you he is also an Indian mathematician and physicist specializing in theoretical physics. He is best known for his work on quantum mechanics in the early 1920s, collaboration with Albert Einstein in developing the foundation of Bose-Einstein statistics and the theory of Bose-Einstein condensate. A fellow of the Royal Society, and he is also awarded India's second most civilian award, the Padma Vibhushan, in 1954 by Government of India. I'll show the familiar personality from this video. Let's watch it. Satyendranath Bose was an Indian and his wife is Usha Bhatti Bose. His field was physics and mathematics. He had a wide range of interests, varied fields including physics, chemistry, mineralogy, biology, mathematics, philosophy, arts, literature and music. He served on many research and development committees in southern India. Bose was born in Calcutta, the eldest of the 7 children in Bengali Kayastha family. He is the only son with 6 sisters after him. His ancestral home was in the village of Balajagulya in the district of Nadia in Bengal Presidency. His schooling began at the age of 5 years. He passed his matriculation in 1909. He then next joined the intermediate course at Presidency College, Calcutta, where his teachers included Jagadish Chandra Bose, Sardar Prasannadas and Prafulla Chandra Roy. Bose chose mixed mathematics for his BSc and passed the examination standing first in 1913. Then he joined Sir Ashutosh Mukherjee newly formed Science College, where he again stood first again in the MSc Mixed Mathematics exam in the first in 1915. After completing his post-graduation, he joined the Science College, Calcutta University as a research scholar in 1916 and started the studies in the theory of relativity. I'll show one more slideshow for you. Let's watch it. It was an exciting era in the history of the scientific progress. His father, Surendranath Bose, worked in the engineering department of East India Railway Company. In 1914, at the age 20, Bose was married Usha Bhatti Ghosh. They had 9 children. 2 of them died in early children. Bose was well versed in the several languages such as Bengali, French, English, German and Sanskrit, as well as the poetry of Lord Tennyson, Rabindranath Tagore and Kalidasa. He could play an esraj, an Indian musical instrument such as like a violin. He was actively involved in the running night schools has to be known much as a working men's institute. He died on 4th February 1974 in Calcutta, India, when he was aged 80. He left behind his wife, 2 sons and 5 daughters. I hope you understand the biography of Satyendranath Bose and how a wonderful personality he was. Regularly I share one world familiar personality with you. For that notifications, click the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, like, share and your opinion write on the comment box. Bye friends.